Hi everybody, good evening. This is Isha here signing in on behalf of Sainisha Says. Today we are here with Sri Shivananda Baswantappa. He is the Lalit Kala Academy awardee. And as we had promised for the Women's Day, we have this event to cover, and let's hear a lot from Sir himself. Good evening, sir. Welcome to our show.
Good evening.
So we would like to hear from you what inspired you and how you came into art.
Yeah, from the childhood I used to do artworks, not on paper, on slate. Slowly, my family members, my mother, my father, encouraged me. Then I started doing some drawings in my assignment book. But slowly it became a habit. My classmates started forcing me to do film heroes portrait and some other drawings and all. Slowly I took a lot of interest in that, but I don't know the art college is there. After 10th, is art college or art education is there. Slowly what happened, my father took me Dharwad to get admission in commerce or science or whatever after 10th is available. But what happened, we had given interview in many colleges. Finally I get selected in 2-3 colleges. Once what happened, my father is gone, given me everything, money and all. He's gone back to my native. But after his going back, I started moving around the city. In near LIC office, there is art college in Dharwad. I saw the board art college. Then I inquired about what is this education system, how it works and all. They told me about after 10th you can write the interview or the exams. That competitive exam was there before to get admission. Now there is no competition. Then I had given interview. In the interview, first name was mine only. I get selected in the first list, but I don't know if person is not coming for admission, they will stick another list for second list. I don't know. That time I was very young. They will stick some second.
How old were you, sir?
That time around 16 or 17.
Very
Very young. Then they put second list. I don't know about second list. I just gone to principal and I inquired. They said your name is there, but you can't take admission because already we put second list. They said, oh, I don't know, sir. Please give me admission like that. I requested. They refused to give me admission. Then I had gone to my uncle's place and come back to again Dharwad and requested to principal. They said no, we are unable to give. If anybody is absent in second list, then only we can give admission. Then they had given me admission. Then in first year, it was very beginning. No, art means I thought it's only art. There is some geometry, perspective, some other subjects also there. I am very poor in mathematics and geometry and perspective and all subjects. I failed in first year, and I felt very bad. In my life, I never failed in any subject. This is the first time I failed, and I felt very bad. Then I challenged my teacher. Sir, this year I failed, but next year I am going to come first class in all my class. Then I struggled a lot in second year. I came in a rank in second year, first rank. I am not telling I am a better and great artist, but better than me, some of my classmates are there. But they are misbehaved with my teacher, and they not attended for examination, and something was happened. Because of that reason they failed, and I passed my second year. I passed in a rank, with rank. Then I left that college and had gone to Davangere. Davangere education was very tough and very bad condition. That time so many of my classmates were failed. Then I had gone to Delhi for job purpose. I had done as a job as a illustration artist. On 1996 and 1996. That time only I got very good salary. But one of my friend told me, you know, why you are doing job? You can go and do first your degree. First you can complete your degree, then you can do whatever job you want. Then I came back and taken admission in Gulbarga. In Gulbarga, I have worked very hard, and I passed my degree. I completed my degree, and then I came to Chitrakala Parishad for MFA. In Chitrakala Parishad also I got very good marks. I think highest marks I only got. After that I started working independently. The work wise I not compromised, worked very hard, and even my teacher was very good. His name is Ramesh Chandra. He encouraged me a lot, and I started doing some projects work, portrait work, this, that, whatever I am getting, I just struggling and doing and surviving my life. Finally, I shifted my place. Actually, I was staying in this area only, Palace Guttahalli, Maleshwaram. I shifted to Yelahanka. There is a good artist team. They were playing sports and involved in other activities, and they were very serious artists. That time was fantastic time I realized in my life. The competitive life. They were very serious painters, and I was a very good, skillful artist. But conceptually, I was struggling on that time. How to create the concepts, how to study the other artists' artwork and all. It is a meditative time, or enlightened time, I say. It was complete day and night. I was just thinking about concepts and art, how to bring out those concepts into canvas. It is a very tough time. I was struggled at least 2-3 years continuously. Then I realized, I studied different artists' artwork, the complete world art scenario. I studied and realized how to do painting, good painting. Doing painting on canvas is not a painting. Whatever you wanted to say to people, whatever you realized in your life, how you are going to express and how you are going to put it on canvas, that is important. And simply creating beautiful portrait, simply creating some flowers, gardens or something, that is, we are not considering the good painting.
Exactly.
That is only painting. But if you want to do very serious painting, if you want to say something through your media, it's very difficult. You realize what you want to say in a perfect way, then you can create a beautiful painting. Then I started creating some beautiful paintings. Then I started sending some places for competitions and some other places. So everywhere, wherever I sent, Everyone was appreciated and I had received many awards.
Yes.
Camlin Awards, Kejriwal Awards, Lalit Kala Academy Awards, IFAX Award, and even Central Lalit Kala Academy Award. So many, but I stopped after that receiving that Lalit Kala Academy Award. I stopped sending paintings because that's enough for me. Because I'm not doing painting for competition purpose. Whatever I done, I received awards and all. But my intention is not to do competitions now. I stopped doing competitions. Then I joined the National Gallery of Modern Art. That time National Gallery of Modern Art was very poor condition. They were struggling to bring up that location. That time I had gone and joined there. Within 2-3 years, when I was joined there, that time only few people, 5, 6, 10, 12 people were visiting for attending for programs. A very big program, inauguration means people will come. Otherwise, for other programs, people won't come. That kind of situation was there. And my director and some other of my colleagues and all, we have struggled a lot to bring up that place and made that place popular. And all artists have started coming and other art lovers and everyone is started coming into that place. Now it's became a popular place.
Yes.
After that, after retiring my director, there was no work. The official issues was there. Then I realized this place is not for me. I have a lot of energy to do and set up something new. Then I left my job and started my own art institution, and art gallery, and competitions, sales, these, that, so many things I have started. After that, I think slowly, alternatively I was doing paintings, but slowly some other work was heavily entered in my life. I stopped doing paintings. I started teaching. Because some of my students are very interestingly listening my words. Not only my students, if anyone can comes to me now, I can explain them how to do paintings and how to create concepts, what is painting, what is artwork, and everything I can easily discuss with them. That is helpful for them.
Yes.
So many people have taken my guidance and they have received awards and recognitions. That is the happiest part from me. And even I enjoyed a lot my life. In one life, how much person can enjoy, the 10 times I enjoy. Means I worked 10 persons work a single person. That is happiness. We are getting only one life. In that only we have to do something. That I'm happy to say I achieved at least something.
Exactly.
That is the happiness part for me.
So when you paint, do you have anything? You have a concept in your mind that you want to paint that. Apart from that, what is exclusive when you are doing it? How do you work?
It's a very difficult to conceptualize.
Yes.
Yeah, the concept creating, it is not an easy task. If you going into that, you are completely involving in that. It's not going to allow you, and it's not allowing to escape. While riding, while eating, while sleeping, whatever you do, that concept works.
Yes.
And in concept, if you want to say something, so many the objects are related the subject you wanted to put into the canvas and wanted to show. But what is necessary and what is not necessary, the color scheme, the space arrangement, and the concept, in the concept what you wanted to show, everything is very minute thinkable process. If you simply put all things together, it's actually junkyard. It's became a junkyard. You have to avoid something what is necessary to show. It is important. It's while doing, your artwork will teach you. You will be judging your own painting yourself. That comes by practicing.
So, who's your role model?
In art field.
Art field.
So many artists are there, especially Picasso, M.F. Hussain, S.M. Pandit, M.T.V. Acharya, and Raja Ravi Verma, and Subodh Gupta, and N.S. Harsha from Karnataka, and Manjunath. So many artists are there. Because why I am taking those people's name? Because those people completely involved in art. They struggled a lot. Finally, they have achieved whatever they wanted to achieve. Even achieving that top level, they were very simple. They says, I never done anything. But they have done a lot. We have seen those people's artwork very seriously and observed what they expressed and how they are actually put the concept in the canvas. It's very difficult, but as an artist, as a learner, we have to observe everything. Simply in 1 or 2 days we are not became an artist.
Exactly.
We have to observe everything. We have to follow something. We have to filter. Filtering concept is very, very important.
So today's you are watching nowadays artists, the upcoming emergers, self-taught, fine art college. So what do you want to observe? Now you watch their paintings, and what do you want to advise them?
Some artists, they are doing really great paintings. Some artists, especially young artists, are doing fantastic works, and some people, they know how to do drawing, they know how to apply painting, they know some techniques, they will play with the technique. But as per my observation, they should think, they should work hard to recognize themselves, what is the quality should be there in their artwork. Simply applying colors and creating some flower, birds, animals, this, that is actually, we say, confusion stage.
Exactly.
Or beginning stage. It's okay, beginning stage, people will be struggling, but you should not say this is my artwork or this is my something extraordinary achievement like that. Because if you are not that much the perfect artist, then at least you can do some exercise in that. When you yourself realizing how I am doing something better, then maybe you can exhibit or sell your paintings or whatever. Because without doing that, simply putting something under reproduction, copying some other artist, that is actually it's not good.
Yes, exactly.
They should realize that.
Yes. Because nowadays we are seeing a lot of copy works.
No, no,
Everybody is copying.
Yeah, that's why it happens means every day person is spending more than 3 hours in a mobile. Okay, that's why it is actually very difficult to manage. People will be immediately whatever you want. The before, no, if I wanted to do some animal drawing, I actually imagine from my own way and I will struggle to do that animal drawing. If it is not proportionate, then also I wanted to show that in my own way. Now, whatever they want, the artist, the young artist especially, whatever they want, they will search in internet.
Yes.
They wanted to copy immediately, and even the other artists' work, they will see. Oh, he's put red color, he will be putting green color in same position. That's not actually originality. Even I'm not saying I'm a very original artist, I'm something special from others. It's not like that. If you want to study, you have to observe a lot of things. How our seniors, how our old artists have done. Whatever they have taken from our surroundings and how they were avoided lot of things. These all things are very important to bring out a beautiful painting. Otherwise, we are just Xerox machine.
Exactly.
We will be copying other artists' work easily. It's not like that. We have to bring our own concept, bring everything should be new. We cannot create new, but we can create in a new manner.
So now that it's a Women's Day, what is your message to the women in general?
Women are the perfect human being. They can give, donate, and sacrifice for our nature. They were mothers, sisters, wife. In every manner, they were actually there in this world. But as per my observation, all whoever come in my circle, all women are great. They have done a lot of struggle, and they are doing a lot of struggle in their life, and especially in women artists. But I want to say the Amrita Sergil and Frida Kahlo and Artemisia, Georgia Cafe. These artists, they have done excellent artwork. They have struggled a lot with their busy schedule. They will be making time and created some great paintings. And the extraordinary thing is they have a patience. They have a lot of patience. That's why the whole world is running in a peaceful manner. If woman is not there, then everywhere the unhappiness will be there. Woman controls in a mother stage or wife stage, in the other stage. That's why the whole world is going in a peaceful manner. I wish all the women all the best, all the success they can achieve better than man.
Exactly. So we have heard Shivananda sir speaking and giving a message to all the women out there, and we also heard him and about his life and his experiences. So let's. I'm calling this off now, and thank you so much for watching us. This is Sanisha says thanking you, sir, for giving us this time in your busy schedule, and that was a great message to all the women, and particularly artists. I hope you take whatever was told very seriously. Thank you so much.
Thank you.